Hello, I'm Chris Hansen, the president of the American Cancer Society Cancer Action Network, and I'm speaking to you the morning after the State of the Union address by President Obama. His address was very much aimed at the public, which I think that you could probably tell if you listen to it, and I think that underscores the importance of you as grassroots volunteers. For that matter, the Republican response was very much aimed at you too, and I think that both Republicans and Democrats in this city realize how very important grassroots are, how very important the voters are. The speech last night was very focused on the economy and gun violence. Those were the two big things. When the president was talking about the economy, he called out very specifically biomedical research and talked about what a huge economic factor that is for this country. The reality is, and what we care about in terms of funding for cancer research through the National Institutes of Health, prevention and screening programs through the Center for Disease Control, both parties really agree on those things. The problem is that they have an inability to work with each other, and so they are looking at a looming sequester, both knowing that it's something that they don't want to happen and they don't know how to stop it. So what that means is we need a public voice in this. This is your voice. We had another issue that came up last night that's going to be very important. You're going to hear a lot more about this from us going forward. The President talked about 2 trade agreements. Both of them are agreements where the administration is thinking of taking a negotiating position where they exclude tobacco from the agreements so that tobacco companies can't use those agreements to challenge national health laws around the world so that they can continue their role of hooking children around the world on their tobacco products as they did in the United States. And you're going to be hearing a lot more about that from us going forward. But there are a lot of volunteer opportunities. We're doing a lot in the states in expanding Medicaid. We're doing a lot at the federal level on cancer research and prevention programs. You're going to hear more about this global business, and thank you so much for all the great work that you do.